All right, guys, buckle your seatbelts because today we are diving into the shadowy skies of travel conspiracy theories. Yeah, I know. And some of these might just change the way you look at flying forever. We did all the digging for you. We sifted through the rumors, yes, and we fact checked the ones that made us say, wait a minute. That actually makes sense. Let's get right into it. Number one, the phantom flight numbers. Some people believe that certain flight numbers are ghost flights. They are listed, but they never take off. The theory, airlines keep these to manipulate route data or hold valuable airport slots. Kind of like a seat saver at brunch, but with jet fuel. Number two, chemtrails in the sky. Oh, yes, this one's a classic. Some folks believe those trails behind the planes are not just condensation, but chemical agents being sprayed for mind control or weather manipulation. Scientists say it's just harmless water vapor. But why do some trails linger longer than others? I thought about that as a child. Number three, airport codes are secret signals. You think LAX just means Los Angeles? Some conspiracy lovers claim airport codes are coded messages used by global elites. DEN, which is Denver International, gets a lot of heat for that. And we'll come back to that airport in a minute. Number four, black box tampering. After a plane crash, the black box tells the story. But what if someone could erase or alter that story? Have you ever thought about that? Some theorists believe black box data has been tampered with to hide the real cause of certain accidents. I wouldn't even put that past them. Number five, pilot mind control. Wild idea, but hear this out. Some believe pilots are unknowingly influenced by low frequency sound waves designed to dull their alertness or control decisions. Hey, autopilot isn't the only thing flying this plane. Number six, the Bermuda Triangle Detour. You've heard of the Bermuda Triangle soaring ships and planes. I'm sure you've heard about that. But some think airlines intentionally avoid flying over that area and lie about routes to keep passengers calm. And others think it's a no fly zone for reasons the government won't explain. They're not going to tell you. Number seven, the airplane mode lie. Please put your phone on airplane mode. But what if your phone signal never really interfered with anything? Have you thought about that? Some people believe it's a myth, just a way to make you comply or to cut off your access to real time data. Number eight, the elite secret terminals. Certain airports allegedly have private underground terminals for the ultra rich and powerful people, letting them bypass customs, security, and the public eye entirely. Think secret layers, but with cappuccino bars. Number nine, RFID tags are tracking you. That little tag on your check bag, some believe it's not just for tracking luggage, but for tracking you to see where you go. It's linked to facial recognition and airport cameras. Every step you take, they're watching you. Number 10, the disappearance of MH370, the Malaysia Airlines flight that vanished, sparked countless theories. Maybe it was shut down, maybe it was hijacked, or it landed secretly. Some believe governments know more than they have revealed and are hiding it to protect international relations or technology. Number 11, jet lag is manufactured. Hear me out. Could airlines be manipulating cabin pressure and lighting to induce fatigue so passengers are less likely to complain to the flight attendants or even to align your body clock to a specific time zone for easier airport flow? Sounds like a sci fi thing, right? But the tech does exist. Number 12, delay tactics or profitability. Have you ever felt like your flight was accidentally delayed just long enough to miss your connection flight? Some think airlines use strategic delays to overbook, resell, or avoid paying for accommodations. It's all about the money, honey. Number 13, contrived weather cancellations. Okay, flight canceled due to weather, but the sun is out. Think about that. Some travelers believe airlines fake weather excuses to cancel flights they couldn't fill. That would mean less refund, more rebooking fees, and all of that stuff. Number 14, airport art and murals are clues back to Denver International Airport. Those weird murals, gargoyles, and Masonic plaques have sparked years of speculation. Some think it's a New World Order hub or even a secret government bunker. Art or announcement? Go figure. Cabin air toxicity. Some say the air that you breathe in flight contains trace toxins from engine oils. A few flight attendants have reported feeling ill after long haul flights. Is this just fatigue or a hidden health hazard? Something to think about. Number 16, time travel flights. Okay, this one's extra spicy. Some theorists believe there were experimental flights that briefly entered alternate time zones or dimensions, and that those flights were quietly retired. But where did they go? Nobody seems to know. Hmm. Number 17, celebrities faking flights. There's a belief that some celebrities pretend to fly commercial for publicity, but they actually board a private jet minutes later. Photos at the gate? Staged. Next stop, private island. Number 18, the 9/11 pre-check conspiracy. Some claim TSA pre-check and facial scans were always the goal, and that 9/11 simply accelerated mass acceptance of airport surveillance. That's one is a heavy one. But many still question how quickly the tech rolled out afterwards, after that 9/11 incident. Number 19, luggage is sometimes borrowed. You ever thought that the getting a bag back is a little suspicious, rearranged? Some believe bags are occasionally opened mid-transit for smuggling, scanning, or unauthorized searches without a trace. Think about that. And number 20, last but not least, some flights don't actually fly. This is the wildest one. Certain domestic flights never leave the ground. They're simulated for data collection, transportation of cargo, or people who aren't who they say they are. Think you went from A to B? Maybe not. Woo! That was a ride, wasn't it? And whether you believe one or all of them or even none of these theories, one thing's for sure: travel is full of mystery, and it always will be. What happens behind that cockpit door or deep inside an airport tunnel might be more than we're told. But don't worry, we'll keep flying. We'll keep asking questions, a lot of questions, and we'll keep uncovering the truth, 1 mile high mystery at a time. Which of these conspiracy theories blew your mind the most? Or do you know one we didn't mention? I'm watching the comment section. So let's hear your input. I hope you found value from this fun video. And if you have, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you're so inclined, please send a super thanks to support the channel. You will find the super thanks button at the bottom of the video. I would really appreciate the kind gesture. Definitely would. And one more thing, if you want to make your next trip more seamless, I invite you to download my free ebook titled Top 5 Travel Scenarios and How to Solve Them. The title speaks for itself. And if you want to go a step further rather, check out my digital travel bundle that includes a 250-page ebook with 55 different travel scenarios and how to solve them, and a 16 module audiobook with tips on international travel planning tips, along with 5 video guides for Dubai, Japan, Thailand, France, and the UK. And with that, you get a 7-day travel itinerary for each country. And all of these are linked in the description. You don't want to plan your next trip without them. Trust me. Well, that's it for now. And again, I am your channel host, Cheryl, saying bye for now. And I'm so glad that you stayed until the end. I really value your time because I know you could be watching other videos. Thanks for flying with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels and stay curious. Yes.